So when the accident happened, there people said कि there were people who were like bad people, who were sannyasis. Spiritual में भी अच्छे और बुरे होते हैं. So they did a tantric जादू on you.
ब्लैक मैजिक. ओके.
उसकी वजह से एक्सीडेंट हो गया.
ओह.
जिसने भी तुम्हारे ऊपर कुछ किया है उसका तेरा भी भला हो. फिल्मी स्टार बनने के लिए मैंने कभी फिल्म नहीं करी. पैसे कमाने के लिए मैंने फिल्म नहीं करी. फेमस बनने के लिए मैंने फिल्म नहीं करी. तो मैंने फिल्में क्यों करी? आई एम अ लेस्बियन.
सीरियसली नाउ टेल मी व्हाट इज इट.
व्हाट इज ब्यूटीफुल अबाउट मी? तो उसने ऊपर से नीचे मुझे देखा. मैंने कहा ओह सो यू लाइक माई ड्रेस, you like my legs. I refused Miss India and all Miss Universe and all that. I refused to join it. I asked her. I said कि what do you mean abusive? Like is he physically मतलब did he touch you? Did he like you know? मैंने क्या गलती कर दी इसमें? You know I mean like I would question because my life has become impossible. I can live alone. I don't need to talk. I don't need company. I don't need people's acceptance to anything I do. I don't need anybody's yes. I'm a one piece, fully one piece that is independently working and living without any dependence on of anything to anybody. If I were to direct a movie and I would also act in it, it would be my story.
Oh wow.
Be my story because it is my God. I mean, कैसी इस कहानी से अच्छी कोई कहानी मुझे आज तक नजर नहीं आई है. I thought Mahesh favored me, but Mahesh would favor me because I was the one take artist. Hi, I am Anu Agarwal, and you are watching. No, you should watch this podcast on Bazooka.
From the lanes of Delhi to the limelight of Ashiki, from the camera's flash to the calm of meditation. Today's guest, who's with us, has not lived one, but many lives at one time. Yes, she has redefined beauty in the era of fairness. And at the peak of fame, she chose silence over spotlight. Yes, I'm talking about a woman who turned her pain into purpose. She's an actor, a supermodel, an author, and a yogini. A woman of substance who, at the extremes of her fame, she actually taught us what redefining yourself means. So, at a very special episode of Bazooka Spotlight, here with me, Namita Sachdev, I'm really glad and honored to welcome the OG Ashiki girl, Anu Agarwal, who's with me. Welcome, ma'am. How are you? And we are honored, and I'm feeling so happy that you are with us today.
Thank you so much, and I'm absolutely delighted to be here. And namaste.
So, ma'am, before we dive into like films, fame, your journey, when you started, मैं सबसे पहले ये जानना चाहूँगी कि दिल्ली की वो अनु कैसी थी जब वो ओजी आशिकी गर्ल नहीं बनी थी, जब दुनिया उन्हें बाहर की दुनिया नहीं जानती थी, स्कूल की लड़की प्यारी सी अनु.
दिल्ली की वो लड़की जो थी ना, वो जो फाइनली आशिकी बन गई, आशिकी की लड़की, वो दिल्ली की लड़की दिल्ली में भी वैसी ही थी. और आई थिंक दैट ग्रोइंग अप इन दिल्ली वो इज़ अ गेम चेंजर फॉर अ गर्ल. क्योंकि वहाँ पे लड़कियों को इतने चैलेंजेस हैं जितने कि बम्बई में नहीं हैं.
ट्रू.
एंड वहाँ की जो ट्रेनिंग हो जाती है लड़कियों की, अपने को डिफेंड कैसे करके रखना है, हाउ टू हैंडल बीइंग अलोन, हाउ टू हैंडल, वो सब दिल्ली में सीख लेते हैं लोग. मैंने तो दिल्ली में सब सीखा बिकॉज वहाँ पे ईव टीजिंग इतनी ज़्यादा है. और वहाँ तो मतलब सड़क पे चलना भी, जब मैं स्कूल और कॉलेज में थी तो लड़के मेरे पीछे ही पड़े रहते थे. तो वहाँ तो बहुत मुश्किल था अकेले, पर फिर भी मेरे को ये जुनून था कि मुझे अकेले जाना है, अकेले मैं ये करूँगी. बचपन से ये मैं जाऊँगी, अपना बैग लेके, छोटी सी मैं थी तो मम्मी आई है शॉपिंग करके, तो देखा बैग उन्होंने रखा. 4 साल की थी मैं. उनका बैग इतना बड़ा उठाया नहीं जा रहा, उठा के जा रहे हैं बाहर. वहाँ रोड क्रॉस करने के समय पे, अब रोड तो क्रॉस करनी आती नहीं है, तो वहाँ खड़ी हुई हूँ मैं बैग लेके. तो फिर कोई अंकल, स्वीट अंकल आ गए. उन्होंने कहा बेटा कहाँ जा रहे हो? शॉपिंग करने.
Oh, that cute 4 years old Anu.
शॉपिंग करने. so he said he understood.
हाँ.
He said अच्छा चलो चलो पहले घर चल के फिर जाएंगे. So he brought me home and my mother had lost her breath by that time because the bag disappeared and I had disappeared.
Oh.
So the thing is that I think वो कहते हैं ना पूत के पालने में पाँव दिखाई
हाँ,
पड़
दिखाई
जाते
पड़
हैं.
जाते
वो
हैं,
जाए वो
exactly.
सबके हम लोगों के सबके हम सबके हम लोगों की जो इंस्टिंक्ट्स हैं
हाँ जी.
वो बचपन से होती हैं. और दिल्ली जो है, दिल्ली मैं कहती हूँ कि दिल्ली ने मुझे बहुत सिखाया. और दिल्ली में मैंने सोशल वर्क भी शुरू किया. और तब मैंने यूनाइटेड नेशंस के हाई कमीशन HCR के साथ हाई कमीशन ऑफ रेफ्यूजीज, उन्होंने मुझे मॉडलिंग और एक्टिंग के मतलब स्टार बनने से पहले मुझे एम्बेसडर बना दिया था.
Oh, at what age?
17.
अच्छा, okay.
16 I started acting. And I was 11 when I started public speaking.
Okay.
तो फिर मुझे ड्यूक ऑफ एडिनबरा अवार्ड मिला था फॉर एलिक्यूशन व्हेन आई वाज 12 years old. So awards have started, you know, बचपन से. So yeah, Delhi, and of course आशिकी is I understood कि जो लड़की थी आशिकी की वो काफ़ी कुछ मेरा कैरेक्टर देख के ही बनी थी, which is, you know.
I'll come to Ashiki also, but I think you were very confident since you were a child, है ना? जितना मैं जानती हूँ, लाइक आपने 7th grade में आपने मोनोलॉग कंपटीशन जीत लिया था. देन यू 8th grade में यू स्टार्टेड लाइक योर ओन थिएटर इन योर स्कूल. देन 9th में आपने प्लेस किए, डायरेक्ट भी किया, एक्ट भी किया. दैट्स अ ह्यूज थिंग. 10th standard में यू स्टार्टेड राइटिंग योर ओन स्क्रिप्ट्स, मतलब पब्लिक स्पीकर आप बन गई. तो इतना तो मुझे लगता है 10वीं क्लास में जब हम होते हैं इतने कंफ्यूज होते हैं अपने करियर को लेके आगे, क्या करेंगे क्या नहीं करेंगे. बट देन बैंग ऑन.
Right.
So, means glamour world में आना was like destined for you, you know?
No, but the thing is, I'll tell you something, what you're saying कि हाँ इतने young age में ये किया हुआ. I have never been proud of that. और फिर मुझे लगता था कि तो natural मुझे आया, तो मुझे कभी उसका घमंड नहीं हुआ. क्योंकि वो natural है, वो आदमी के जो natural जो instincts, natural चीज़ें होती हैं उसके आदमी घमंड नहीं करता है. पर फिर मैंने कर्म की थियरी पढ़नी शुरू करी जब मैंने ये सारा 20 साल 18 साल मैं बाहर रही हूँ बम्बई से. और मेरी पूरी स्पिरिचुअल जर्नी जो चली है और जिसमें संन्यास भी ले लिया. और मतलब कि मैंने 16 साल मैंने लिपस्टिक नहीं पहनी. तो जब मैंने उसके बाद लिपस्टिक बम्बई में आके पहनी तो ऐसे लगे कि क्या अजीब सी सेंसेशन हो रही है लिप्स के ऊपर, यू नो. तो इसलिए ये जो पूरी जर्नी मेरी रही है इसमें मुझे इस समय में, क्योंकि मैं जब सिटी से दूर थी तब मैंने कर्म की थ्योरी पढ़ी. और कर्म की थ्योरी इतनी फैसिनेटिंग है क्योंकि हम लोगों को कुछ आइडिया नहीं है. हम लोग सिटी में रहते हुए बाहर की दुनिया से इतने जुड़े हुए रहते हैं. और हमको जो पढ़ाया जाता है वो सिर्फ स्कूल और कॉलेज में जो हम पढ़ते हैं वो ही होता है. उससे ज़्यादा हमें कुछ आइडिया नहीं है. तो कर्म की थ्योरी तो बहुत डीप थ्योरी है. और कर्म और धर्म और ये सब जो है कैसे सब जुड़ा हुआ है. बट एनीवे उस कर्म की थ्योरी में सिंपल चीज़ मैं ये बताना चाहती हूँ कि इन दिस इंटायर माई कॉन्फिडेंस व्हाट यू आर सेइंग कि ये था, ये मेरे पुराने कर्म हैं क्योंकि मैं पैदा इसके साथ हुई हूँ. मैं जब 3 साल की, जब मुझे स्कूल लेके गई मम्मी पहली दफ़ा एडमिशन कराने, 4 साल की मैं थी, आई न्यू माई नेम.
Oh wow.
And I fought for it. I cried, I pounded the table because my mother had another name. उन्होंने प्रिंसिपल को जाके कहा कि name, and I said Anu, and I started crying. I started crying over the tantrum throw.
So you are rebel as a kid as well.
Tantrum throw कर दिया पूरा. So then finally my mom said, okay, Anu.
अनु ही नाम रखा फिर आपके.
So
आपकी मदर ने क्या नाम रखा था वैसे?
Anuja.
अनुजा. Okay.
But Anu was my. So the thing is that these are कर्म की वजह से आपको कुछ चीज़ें. So I knew certain things. I just knew so much. I didn't know why I was born here. क्योंकि मुझे सब कुछ मुझे यहाँ दिखाई नहीं पड़ता था जो मुझे चाहिए. तो आप आते हैं जीवन में तो आपको कुछ चाहिए, आपको फैमिली चाहिए, जैसे अगर आप लड़की हैं तो बच्चे चाहिए, आपको एक करियर चाहिए, आपको इतने पैसे चाहिए, आपको इतना सम्मान चाहिए, आपको ऐसा घर चाहिए, आपको ऐसी गाड़ी चाहिए, मतलब यू नो
Desires.
these are
Yeah.
desires that everyone has, and I didn't have them as a kid, as even as a growing up person. So it has been quite a journey, yeah.
Exactly. पेरेंट्स से आप कितना कनेक्टेड रहती थी, कितने क्लोज थी आप उनके बचपन में?
I know very connected parents. We are a very connected family, and my parents actually taught me how to respect everybody because they showed me respect.
Of course, our parents make
Huh.
who we are.
And it was not like they didn't boss over me. But anyway, I wouldn't have taken it. If anybody tried to boss over me, I would have thrown a tantrum.
Of course.
Or I'll jump over the wall. मतलब ये सब बातें रहती थी कि मैं, you know, if anything that I didn't agree with, अगर ऐसी कुछ चीज़ हुई, तो क्या मजाल है, कोई anybody will get away with that.
Oh, very nice.
तो ये सब ट्रेट्स हैं बचपन की, बट पेरेंट्स हैव बीन, दे आल्सो सॉ कि इसके अंदर इतने यू नो शी इज अ गिफ्टेड चाइल्ड.
Oh, that's nice. स्कूल में कभी, कॉलेज में कभी किसी
हाँ,
को लगा
स्कूल में
जैसे
हर-
कि अनु ये नहीं कर सकती, अनु वाज लाइक
हाँ,
वॉच
ही
मी, सिट
नहीं,
बैक एंड वॉच?
वो चांस ही किसी को नहीं मिला कहने का, बिकॉज बिफोर एनीबडी कुड थिंक, you know, I became like, you know, state basketball player. I became one of the toppers of my class. I became a public speaker. I became a dramatist.
So you were into everything.
I was a dancer. I started learning Kathak when I was 7 years old. So I was मैंने almost विशारद complete किया है Kathak में.
Oh, अच्छा.
And you know, so, and I was a singer. I've been learning singing since I was 7 years old. मैं हारमोनियम ऐसे ऐसे and I used to sing like a child. So, you know, so the thing is that my mother did that to my brother also. वो सबको सारी arts बच्चों को आनी चाहिए. So she got both of us too, but he didn't have interest in half of the arts. He didn't do it, but
You practice
whatever
it.
I did, I would master it.
Oh, wow.
तो ये बचपन की एक trait है. So they, you know, parents also supported it. You know, they supported me all through.
तो मॉडलिंग का भी शौक था बचपन से?
मॉडलिंग का शौक नहीं था मुझे.
Okay.
No, I thought models were dumb.
Okay.
That's what I thought.
Uh-huh.
And when I was about 14 years old, a boy walked up to me and said, "Oh my God, you're so beautiful."
Oh.
And I just looked at him, and अभी दिमाग में मेरे जा रहा है कि what does he mean by beautiful? मतलब what is the definition of beautiful, right?
Looking beautiful from outside.
हाँ,
or
what does he
inside,
mean?
yeah.
क्या मतलब क्या इसको दिख रहा है, मेरा क्या चीज़ इसको ब्यूटीफुल लग रही. तो मैंने उससे पूछा, मैंने कहा कि what is beautiful about me? तो उसने ऊपर से नीचे मुझे देखा. मैंने कहा, oh, so you like my dress, you like my legs. Oh, तो उसके बाद तो he didn't have anything.
Good one.
So because I would have gone for and said, so he said, no, I
जवाब
like
मिल
the way
गया
you
उन्हें.
look. I like the way you look. So I said, तो मैंने उसकी तरफ देखा. मैंने कहा, you know what? I am beautiful, even what you can't see. I'm beyond what I look. This is me at 14 telling him.
Oh.
And then I walked away. And then जब लड़के आके मुझे कॉम्प्लीमेंट करते थे, या मुझे लगता था कि ये नहीं देख पाते कि मैं कौन हूँ, क्योंकि मैं अंदर से सुंदर हूँ, तो इनको सुंदरता बाहर की दिखाई पड़ती है. हाउ सैड. एंड देन व्हेन आई सॉ मॉडल्स एंड इट वाज ऑल अबाउट द लुक, यू नो, दे वर गेटिंग, यू नो, सारा उनको व्हाटएवर फेम या प्रेस्टीज या पावर उनके लुक्स के बेसिस पे मिलता है, which I was against, because I used to say कि, you know, I have a mind. I have a mind that works. I don't need to be walking the catwalk.
Like models.
I
do
was
on
against
brand.
it. I refused Miss India and all Miss Universe and all that. I refused to join it. I joined social work, Delhi School of Social Work.
Yeah, and you were like, you won a gold medal.
Yeah.
You're a gold medalist in sociology.
So you know, so जीवन में जो होना होता है ना, वो होके रहता है. And the thing is to accept whatever is happening and to make the best of whatever the situation life has provided you.
तो लड़कों के लिए लाइक अनु को पटाना उस उम्र में काफ़ी मुश्किल होता होगा. बॉयफ्रेंड था आपका? नहीं.
स्कूल में कह रहा मैं.
कॉलेज में, स्कूल में.
कॉलेज में I thought the boys were so idiotic.
हाँ.
You know, I mean, I just didn't find
हाँ.
anybody that I could look up to. I want
Oof.
to look up to somebody.
Yes.
वो नहीं वैसे लड़के मुझे देखते ही वैसे ही एकदम से they start shaking or get nervous.
आपके क्राइटेरिया में कोई फिट नहीं बैठता था, है ना?
No, I didn't have a boyfriend, and all my friends had.
Oh.
All my girlfriends had,
हाँ,
yeah.
हाँ, हाँ.
And they used to come and tell me stories. So I was the biggest advisor.
ओके.
मैं सबको बताती थी कि अब क्या करना चाहिए.
तो क्या एडवाइस देती थी अनु?
मतलब whatever, जैसे कि one of the girls came and said, you know, that he's very abusive,
हाँ.
you know. And so I said, what do you mean by abusive? Is
At
he
that
physically
time
abusive?
also.
At that age?
Hmm.
Well, you know how. Boys and girls, things started very early. And then I asked her, I said, what do you mean abusive? Like, is he physically, matlab, did he touch you? Did he, like, you know? And she said, no, not like that. But, you know, he's just, you know, he just keeps telling me ki anything I do, he comes and says, oh, this is not good.
Oh.
So I said, you mean he criticizes you every
Doesn't
time?
appreciate you.
He's
yeah.
critical.
Hmm.
So he said, yeah, something like that. But, you know, he's rude. You know, he says it very rudely, and then he also loves me and all that, and you know, so it's very difficult. And
females sometimes
yeah,
are like
yeah,
that.
you know, and so I don't want to leave him, but at the same time, you know, I don't know how to deal with this situation. तो मैं फिर मैंने उसको advice दी. I told her, I said, listen, you have to just. मैंने उससे पूछा, have you ever spoken to him about this? कहती, no, I don't know what to say to him. मैंने कहा, no, just think about it. What is it that's really bothering you? You have to go to him and tell him you love him. Tell him you love him.
Because females are more like
Tell him,
emotionally inclined.
tell him the good things. Tell him the positive things. Tell him that you love him. Tell him that you want to stay with him. Tell him that, and पर उसमें कुछ बाधा आ रही है. उस रिलेशनशिप में हमारी कुछ ये तो मुझे बहुत मतलब कि tell him that you're facing a difficult situation because of certain things you're wanting to leave. So ये बोल उसको. She said, but I don't want to leave. मैंने कहा नहीं, just say that. ऐसे ही मुझे ख्याल आ रहा है.
अच्छा, ऐसे ही मुझे ख्याल आ रहा है.
So she said, and I told her, and I gave her a full list of how she should go.
Pointers
I knew how to do
उसके.
yeah. And she went, and within 2 days it was all sorted out. She came back and she hugged me all. She said, "You're
Happy
my best
left
friend."
him or what?
No, nothing. It worked out.
Oh, wow.
He stopped behaving badly because see, sometimes people don't realize. क्या होता है कई दफ़ा ना हम कुछ अपनी व्यवहार हम ऐसा करते हैं पर हमको ये अवेयरनेस नहीं होती कि दूसरे को इसका दुख पहुंच रहा है.
Unintentionally hurt कर देते हैं.
Unintentionally करते हैं. I mean, he also loved her. But, you know, I mean, he spoke rudely to her. But he probably didn't realize that he was actually speaking rudely and that it bothered her.
Exactly.
So, just speaking, but speaking in a nice way. Not like if she had gone to him and started blaming him, वो अलग बात हो जाती फिर. He would have got defensive.
Yeah.
But she went, so I told her कि इस तरीके से मेरा फॉर्मूला उसने फॉलो करा.
वाह क्या बात है. ये फॉर्मूला हम सबको देंगे.
हाँ, I'm telling you, and you know 2 दिन में sort out हो गया. And so like you know, I used to give all of them. I used to give advice.
अच्छा, मुझे वैसे पर्सनली भी लगता है कि फीमेल फ्रेंडशिप्स जो होती है ना वो बॉन्ड ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्गर होता है.
Yeah.
है ना.
Yeah.
So कभी मतलब आपकी अभी जितनी फीमेल फ्रेंड्स रही होंगी स्कूल कॉलेज में भी हैं टच में?
You know, I really missed them when I came to, because I was very young when I moved to Mumbai, right? And at that time, everyone was shocked that I moved out.
That you got selected.
No, not selected. I was not selected immediately.
You just came to Bombay like that. Okay.
That
I'll come to that also.
I have decided to live in Mumbai.
Oh wow.
With a guy. I had a
live-in
boyfriend.
relationship. Okay.
But then it's not like I was living in with him. Also, my parents weren't here.
Okay.
Right.
You wanted to stay with him. Yeah.
So I was staying with him, but also the other thing is that just leaving, like girls at that time, आज से 30-35 साल पहले लड़कियां शादी करके घर छोड़ती थी, उससे पहले थोड़ी घर छोड़ती
नहीं
थी.
वो
It
तो और
was-
अलग था.
It was unheard of, and it was almost considered unacceptable.
So your parents also like said कि
My
don't go.
parents faced a lot of flack from family. They let me, but then they faced a lot of flack
Okay.
from friends, from
When you
family.
came
अरे
to
आपने
Bombay.
लड़की को जाना कैसे दिया?
हाँ, उस वक्त ना लोगों की
हाँ,
बातें बहुत
इसका
सुनते
मतलब
थे.
क्या होता है कि वो अकेले रहेगी?
हाँ,
I mean, you know.
लड़की
और
है अकेले कैसे
हाँ,
मैनेज
अकेले की
करेगी
तो मतलब क्या?
types.
उसके इतने लड़के यहाँ पे मतलब रिश्ते आ रहे हैं.
और सही वक्त पे वो सेटल डाउन
सही
होना
वक्त पे
इम्पोर्टेंट
और
है.
ये सब, और लड़की मतलब अकेले कहाँ, वो बम्बई जाके Bombay was so far. I wrote in my book, the first book I had written, that at that time Bombay was as far from Delhi as Timbuktu.
Yes.
It's
exactly.
literally like nobody, there's no connection, not like
Yeah.
today.
Yeah.
Today there are so many people from Delhi here. There was nobody from Delhi at that time here.
Even Delhi from other cities as well. It was like
Yeah.
how could a girl all alone
Yeah.
go and stay in a city
Yeah.
like Bombay?
Yeah, exactly.
So ऐसा वाला था. हाँ.
So I mean, but I think that what helps is just being clear about. I was clear that ये मुझे करना है. चाहे कुछ भी हेल्प ब्रेक लूज, चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए. I want to
जिद्दी.
be independent. I wanted to be independent as a girl. And I used to think कि मैं शादी उसके बाद करूँगी. I don't want to marry the guy and then be dependent on him. I want to be self-dependent, and I want to marry for love. I want to love the guy. I don't want to marry the guy because
He's well off.
he's well off, or he's going to give me a certain protection of house and
Or status or
shelter
something like
and
that,
this and
हाँ.
that and the other. No. And I think that's very romantic to think I will only marry for
For
pure
love.
love, pure
Yeah.
love,
But girls
What a
somehow
dream.
thinks like this.
हाँ,
है ना?
मतलब एक ड्रीम है, ठीक है.
Exactly. तो कौन था वो लड़का, वैसे मैं पूछ सकती हूँ क्या? वो आपको मुंबई का लड़का दिल्ली में मिला कहाँ से?
हाँ, so नहीं वो, but you know how it is that when some things have to happen,
हाँ.
वो
It happens like that.
हाँ,
Just
वो
going with the flow
the-
is okay.
बानक बनते चले जाते
है
हैं
ना?
What else? Tell me.
Exactly. तो फिर आप जब बॉम्बे आ गई, है ना, तो कैसे स्पॉट हुई आप सबसे पहले एज अ मॉडल? किसने आपको अप्रोच किया? बिकॉज वो भी इतना सिंपल तो नहीं था, बिकॉज 80s के टाइम में मॉडलिंग करना एक
Yeah.
अलग ही तरह का.
Actually, it was funny because as soon as I was here, then there was these. Then there was like some movie directors and this and that, and they saw, they knew my friends who their fathers, वगैरह, कुछ थे, that I knew some people, and they said, oh, and some, so they were very appreciative, and they asked me, "Kid, don't you want to act?" And I said, I'm already an actor. So they said, and then I thought, okay, I don't want to tell them about my theater and this and
Yeah.
that. So I just said, I'm acting all the time. I'm acting even now. So then, no, they said, no, you should think
About acting in a
think
serious
about it.
way.
So I was doing social work. I was working with the blind school. That's what I was doing. I was totally fully into social work. I was not wanting to model or do film.
Your grandma was also
I
into
was-
social work, na?
My grandmom,
हाँ.
no.
Or your grandfather.
And also then it was like I wanted to be in the real world. The real problems. Solve the real problems of people. That was my funda.
To make a difference, yeah.
कि मैं लोगों की कैसे मदद करूं. मेरे दिल में बस ये था कि मैं बस लोगों की, जिसके पास मेरे से कम है, जिसकी लाइफ मुश्किल है, मैं जाके उसको क्या कर दूं, मैं कुछ करना चाहती हूँ उसके लिए. दैट वाज, वो इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग इमोशन था कि दैट ओवरटुक एनी अदर फीलिंग्स ऑफ की मॉडलिंग या फिल्म या glamour was out of question. It was not there in my mind. I was just glamorous anyway. I was spotted because of my walk.
Oh.
I was in Jahangir Art Gallery, so I also paint.
अच्छा.
And I
Oh,
was,
wow.
Yeah. So I was just like, I was.
So your paintings were there, Jahangir Art
I
Gallery.
was, and I was there like in probably the first few months. Not first few months. I think first month.
When you came to Bombay.
To
Oh.
Bombay, yeah. And I was at Jahangir Art Gallery, and suddenly like somebody was standing. I was walking out. I saw some paintings, this that, and apne lost in my own thoughts. I was walking out, and some lady saw me from a distance. She was standing and looking at me, so I didn't look at her. So when I was passing her, she ran to me and she said, "Wow, you walk like a model." And I said, तो मैंने उसकी तरफ देखा, मेरा दिमाग कहीं और
सोचा नहीं होगा
कि
ऐसा.
मतलब
हाँ.
is she complimenting me or
हाँ.
she's telling me like this is a bad thing? What do models walk like? I don't know. I've never thought about this. Do I walk like a model? I mean, I'm not thinking about how I'm walking, right?
हाँ.
So I said, oh. So I didn't know how to respond. I mean, she was an older
Obviously,
lady,
हाँ.
right?
थोड़ा हाँ.
So then she said, "Ki you should model." And then the next thing I know,
So she was into some
so there
fashion, huh?
Bombay Dang fashion shows happening,
Oh.
and they were a series of shows. There were like 12 shows in the whole of India.
Okay.
So we were going from one city to another, and it was going to pay. And I thought, shit, yaar,
चलने के
मेरा
पैसे मिलेंगे.
किराया, right? I had to
Everyone
rent a
thinks
place,
like that.
right? So I said, तो किराया का तो at least PG का किराया रेंट आ जाएगा इसमें से, और इंडिया घूमने को भी मिलेगा.
Of course. Yes. So where were the shows?
So those we went to all these. We went to Coimbatore, we went to Chennai, we went to Bangalore, we went to all the cities.
Okay. Okay. Nice.
We didn't go to Delhi, but we were
Acha,
going,
okay.
yeah. So we went to Gujarat, Ahmedabad. We went to, So it was, we did few cities, and the thing is, see what happened there. अच्छा, ठीक है. तो मैं था, I was lost in my own world. मैं तो दुनिया
course.
कोई और थी ना. मैं अब यहाँ आ गई मॉडलिंग में.
हाँ.
तो वहाँ जो है सारी मॉडल्स के साथ बैठ के, I mean, sit and talk. It's a different world, right? I was a social worker. अब यहाँ पे लड़कियाँ सब बात किस चीज़ की करती हैं? How to look better, which is the better dress to wear,
And even they're insecure.
boyfriends,
as a model.
problems, right? So I had no intention of being a part of these discussions. So I used to sit, अपना कुछ म्यूजिक
Yeah. थोड़ा अलग से. हाँ.
म्यूजिक सुनती रहती थी मैं कुछ. But check this out. The first modeling job. So we did the rehearsals, this, that, and the other. I think we did rehearsals for what, 6 days, 5 or 6 days. And after which the show
किन के लिए
happened.
walk
Then
कर
we
रही
had
थी
to go,
आप?
you know how it is now. So we have to go and give dress की fitting वगैरह होती है.
Who was
एक
the
दिन
designer? First designer
पहले.
for you?
I don't remember.
अच्छा.
मुझे
Okay.
समय याद नहीं आएगा.
Okay.
So anyway, so and showstopper
Huh.
was not a term at that time,
Okay.
right? But the showstopper was there.
Huh.
Like one person got to wear the best dress,
Huh.
and that person came out in the end.
Yeah, of course.
And then the designer would come with this was so which slowly came to be called a showstopper.
Okay.
You get it?
हाँ हाँ.
पर उस समय ये concept था, हम लोग करते थे पर.
So you were the
So that person-
showstopper.
Yeah. So she
Oh.
made. So the choreographer made me the showstopper.
In your very first project.
My first, I have been a
Seriously?
showstopper from day one. And
Till
and,
now.
And I was like, ठीक है, मेरे को तो कहीं भी चला दो यार, मेरे को रेंट के पैसे मिल रहे थे, मॉडलिंग से मेरे को कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं था. बट व्हेन आई वाज ऑन स्टेज आई वॉक द रैंप, आई डिड माय टर्न्स, एंड वो भी करना था, ड्रेस दिखाई, ठीक है, कहाँ गए. And then it made a huge, like, the word started rotating around that she's the
Showstopper.
she's the showstopper.
Yeah.
And there were a lot of people, there was a lot of jealousies that came up.
है ना?
I had to, like, oh my god, I mean, it was so difficult. And also my parents weren't here, so as it is living in Bombay, वो train, ये सब कहाँ, दिल्ली में कौन सी ट्रेन होती है?
हाँ, locals तो
वो
बिल्कुल नहीं
ट्रेन
अपने
लेना, और मेरे को रास्ते नहीं समझ में आते थे, वो गलत ट्रेन ले ली. Sometimes, I to come to Churchgate, I reached Borivali, I mean, I couldn't understand the difference between Churchgate and Borivali,
Oh, so you were staying in Borivali?
I was staying
Achha,
in
okay.
I was staying in Nariman Point. No,
Oh.
I was stayed in Nariman Point for some time.
Huh.
I stayed for a long time in Bandra
Okay.
West. Then I also stayed in Nepean Sea Road for a very long time.
All right.
My boyfriend was in Nepean Sea Road.
Okay.
So I stayed with him in Nepean Sea Road. But ट्रेन स्टेशन पे जाके गलत ट्रेन में घुस गए, क्यों आइडिया नहीं है, तो ये नहीं आइडिया कि इधर जाएंगे तो चर्च गेट पहुंचेंगे, इधर जाएंगे तो बोरीवली.
बट मुंबई तो ट्रेन की पटरी पे ही बना हुआ है ना. हाँ, सीधा है.
So so it was like, what I'm saying is, so it was so difficult, and also you've never lived alone. I mean, you're from a family where you're looked after, no? अभी यहाँ तो you have to buy the toothpaste also, yeah.
On your own. Everything.
So yeah, so it was a very difficult time, it was a very challenging time at that time. But
बॉयफ्रेंड के साथ सब सही चल रहा था.
हाँ, that was वो एक और कहानी है. But
हाँ, कौन सी क्या कहानी है वो? So was he happy with you getting the project for modeling?
Yeah, no, he supported. He in fact, I was going to say no first. So he said, listen, just do it now, क्या फर्क पड़ रहा है. मेरे एक्चुअली मॉडलिंग जॉब के लिए उसने मुझे कन्विंस किया. मेरा पहला मैं मॉडलिंग जॉब जब आया था, गोदरेज का सोप,
ओके,
मार्बल सोप.
ओके.
I refused. So she said, what is it? Just do it.
If something is coming to you, grab it.
आ गया तो कर ले, क्या फर्क पड़ रहा.
Nice. And how did Mahesh Bhatt spotted you for Aashiki?
You'll have to ask him.
हाँ, पर उनको नेक्स्ट पॉडकास्ट में बुलाएंगे, फिर पूछेंगे. तो कैसी क्या कहाँ पर हुई थी पहली मुलाकात आप लोग की?
Nothing. He just called me.
अच्छा.
Yeah, he just called me. I was back from Paris. I was back from Paris. In fact, I was quite surprised he found my number. We had no mobiles at that time.
Yeah, वही तो.
Landline में Fiji रह रही थी, so the landline was of the landlady. And she used to sleep in the afternoon, 2 से 4. उसके बीच में महेश भट्ट फोन कर रहा है. So first she didn't answer 1-2 times. The third time she was very irritated, and she told me, she said, listen, I said, listen, I don't know who's calling. She said, he's calling for you. I said, I don't know who he is. So I'm sorry, anyway. So I went off the phone. So anyway, he found me, he called me.
इतना मुश्किल होता था ना नंबर्स निकालना.
I know.
किनसे पूछा उन्होंने आपका नंबर?
हाँ, पता नहीं. I don't know how. But I think because I was modeling, so my whereabouts were out in the market.
Maybe he spotted you somewhere.
He must have spotted me, no?
Okay. But like coming from modeling, उस वक्त की modeling को भी अगर मैं define करना चाहूँ 80s के टाइम पे जो difficult थी, 3 words if you could say for the thing that was called modeling.
Far more stylish.
Okay.
Real thing, international modeling के it was at par. We were at par with international modeling at that time, the models. And models had a different identity than movie stars were different, models were different. Supermodels was another identity altogether. So yeah.
So did Mahesh take any audition of yours for Aashiki? Nothing like it? तो कैसे फिर select कर लिया? आइए और मतलब you were the most innocent looking face at that time.
I told him I don't want to do the film.
Okay.
So he had to chase me for some time.
Okay, how much time? कितना वक्त लगा उन्हें?
No, I said no. I said I'll call you back.
Okay.
And then I wouldn't call back. Then he kept every 2 days he would just check on me. I think 10 days went like this.
फिर आप कैसे convince हुई?
No, I heard the script. I told him, okay, I'll come in here. Okay, fine. I thought it was very rude that it was going on. And look, coming from being a theatre actor, I understand I know how much it takes to write a whole script. I value that, I know a director, it's a lot of job. And he was, so I thought I can't be so rude. So finally I said, chalo, I'll go and hear the script. I told him I'll come and hear the script. And I heard the script. And I had some घंटे बज गए कि करनी है.
अच्छा. Then you instantly said yes.
Like करनी है. But anyway, still my mind was saying no. So I was still in 2 minds. So I came back, as I'll let you know. I came home. Then I called him. I think it took another few days to call him. And said, by then they had already started shooting for Aashiki.
अच्छा.
They already started shooting for Aashiki.
Then with some other face?
Aashiki, no, with Rahul.
With Rahul, okay.
Shooting some scenes of Aashiki.
Oh, okay.
Not with another face. Girl.
So he was sure that you'll say yes.
He was sure that he wanted me.
Nice.
Yeah, thanks for that. I mean, you know, I think it's a it's a real it's a real blessing, you know, that somebody can see, and you know, when somebody can see a talent in you, or somebody can think, you know, it's a foresightedness.
Hmm.
Because I mean, really speaking, he told me, he said, Ashiki, the girl is you. This girl
Oh
is you.
wow, yeah.
The girl is you.
Hmm.
And I can't even think of anybody else.
Hmm.
And when you know, I think I brought that girl to life, that
Absolutely.
character.
Absolutely. आई स्टिल रिमेंबर आई वॉज एक्चुअली गोइंग थ्रू योर सोशल मीडिया पेज एंड वहाँ पे मैंने पहला पोस्टर देखा आशिकी का एंड आई वॉज नॉस्टैल्जिक सो मच बिकॉज मैं बहुत छोटी थी उस वक्त तो और मैंने आपको फ़ोन पे भी बताया था ना कि दैट वॉज माई फर्स्ट फिल्म आशिकी द फर्स्ट फेस ऑफ अ
Right.
हीरोइन दैट आई सॉ ऑन स्क्रीन सो बिग थिंग आई वॉज दैट टाइम आई वॉज एक्साइटेड कि यार अनु अग्रवाल मैम का इंटरव्यू लेने जा रही मतलब
Right.
मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी
नहीं,
बात हुई
बिल्कुल.
वो और वो जो इनोसेंस था ना आपके चेहरे में वो मतलब कुछ अलग ही था
Right.
इट वॉज ऑल द वे डिफरेंट इन द होल फिल्म आई कुड से मैंने जितना जो सुना है कि एक बार अमिताभ बच्चन लेट हो गए थे शायद ट्रैफिक जैम लग गया था पहला पोस्टर जब आशिकी का आया था आपके फेस के साथ में सो लाइक हाउ वॉज योर व्हेन डिड यू रियलाइज कि यार मैं तो फेस बन गई हूँ एक जनरेशन की लव स्टोरी का
Okay, I'll tell you when I realized. I realized the first day when I was in my Fiji.
हाँ
और वहाँ जो है सारे लोग आसपास सारी बिल्डिंग से अनु 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 करने लगे.
अच्छा पोस्टर के
My
बाद
life became difficult
ओह
because I was alone, right? So how to get out? There were people all over the roads,
या
and I take an auto, and he's playing Ashiki song and looking at me in the mirror. I go swimming. I used to go swimming. I go swimming तो वहाँ, you know, some couples are sitting. वो छोटे बच्चे को लेके अपने भाग के मेरी तरफ आ गए. अरे अनु आंटी के साथ
आंटी के
फोटो and I'm dripping wet, you know, in my
Aw.
costume. Suddenly I became aware of so many things which I didn't really think about at all. Like I didn't think that I'm walking out of the pool, so I should cover myself because my costume is dripping. I never thought that because I thought कि सामने ही तो कमरा है वहाँ जाके मुझे
हाँ.
शावर लेना है तो इसमें इतनी क्या करने का कि यहाँ. But then when this kind of things started happening, there were people watching me all the time.
स्टार एलिमेंट आ जाता है
Suddenly it was like I need to take something, you know, I started getting uncomfortable, right? And also at home, there are people watching my house all the time, watching through my window. कब तक तुम curtains लगा के बैठोगे? So suddenly I was drawing the curtains, like feeling like I'm in a cage. Because I love my independence. I fought for my independence.
यस
I grew up fighting for it, right? And suddenly now this was stealing it. So in as much as I was so touched with the fans, with the kind of letters that came, and
Obviously,
with all of
हाँ.
that appreciation, you know. So definitely, I mean, it was wow. You know, but on the same hand, living every day living became impossible. How do I manage? I didn't have anybody in the film industry. I didn't have my parents here. And I was in my early 20s.
बॉयफ्रेंड
Boyfriend क्या
मैं
करेगा
बार-बार
यार?
boyfriend
He was
बीच
not-
में ले
no,
आती हूँ.
They were not filmy guys.
ओह
So they don't want to be around those people when people are coming and running towards me, autograph and all. My boyfriend would just walk away. He was not interested. You know what I'm saying? There were no, I didn't have a filmy clout.
और वैसे भी मुझे लगता है नॉट जस्ट द बॉयफ्रेंड आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट समटाइम्स इंडियन मेल मेंटालिटी इज लाइक दैट व्हेन द वुमन ग्रोज somehow some males get
That
insecure.
of course is always there. But I'm just saying, the life became so difficult, so difficult that it's almost like I would go to bed at night and say कि यार मैंने क्या गलत कर दिया.
कि फिल्म करके
हाँ कि मैंने फिल्म कर ली. मैंने क्या गलती कर दी इसमें. You know, I mean, like I would question because my life has become impossible. And then I started getting shunned out of PGs because they
Seriously?
didn't like the attention that was happening. I have literally changed 6 PGs in like 1.5 months. And the rents increased because the next PG that I'm taking, अरे आशिकी की स्टार आ रही है,
ओह।
अच्छा तो 2,000 रुपये रेंट है तो 6,000
20,000
रुपये हो
लेंगे हम
गया.
तो.
So, I mean, living became impossible. It became very, very, very difficult. And then I started really actually feeling the brunt of independence, which I was living up to and living fine up till now. As a model and all, people knew me as a model also. I had fans. I was giving interviews to all the magazines. All that I was known. But it
Becoming
was
a
different.
star overnight
Yeah, but
was
it
a
was
big thing.
different. You become a star means, you were like on the line, you're on the radar. Everybody knows you. And I mean, I became a household name, no? It's not just like you become a star and your movie is a hit.
I've heard about you were paid more than what Rahul was getting paid at that time, और जबकि मतलब actresses के लिए इतना charge करना was a big thing. अभी भी है pay disparity, but तब तो ज़्यादा होता होगा.
But the thing is this, that I was the highest paid model, ना? तो उसकी उसी से वो continue हुआ.
All right. And do you remember your first meeting with Rahul?
I met him at a model's house, I think they were dating or whatever. So it was just a little party she had, like So I met him there, and he had signed Ashiki
Already.
already, and he said that, and I still hadn't talked to Mahesh Bhatt. You get it?
अच्छा.
So and just it was like interaction. There were many people there. You know how it is. It was a party. So we met.
तो इतनी कम उम्र में जब इतना फेम मिल जाता है उसको हैंडल करना कई बार मुश्किल हो जाता है.
हाँ,
और
नहीं.
फिर लाइक मुझे लगता है कि पूरी इंडस्ट्री भी आपसे जेलस फील कर रही होगी कि यार अभी अभी आई लड़की और इतना बड़ा नाम हो गया.
Yeah.
है ना. आई हैव हर्ड अबाउट द स्टोरीज दैट पीपल नॉट कॉलिंग यू टू द पार्टीज एंड नॉट यू वर नॉट बीइंग द पार्ट ऑफ
Right.
गेट टुगेदर्स एंड एवरीथिंग, यू नो.
Right. You'll be surprised to hear this. पता है what you're saying ना कि so this is the story of my life. My life is a story of miracles. So let me tell you this you know about Ashiki, and you said this jealousy that must have come to that. You're right about that. What I want to also tell you is when I was in the ashram. When I was in the ashram, my spiritual growth happened so fast that a lot of sannyasis got jealous. And when I came back from the ashram, when I came back to Mumbai, just to close my house and everything, I was finally going to move fully to ashram and stay there in 98, 99. 99 की बात है. And so when the accident happened, people said कि there were people who were like bad people, who were sannyasis. Spiritual में भी अच्छे और बुरे होते हैं. So they did a tantric जादू on you.
ब्लैक मैजिक. ओके.
उसकी वजह से एक्सीडेंट हो गया.
ओह.
So what I'm trying to say to you is, you talk to me about jealousy. This has been a part of my life because everything I've achieved like this. Whatever I
You've
got
had the
into,
art of
immediate
doing
topping,
mastery.
immediate, and then full attention of the boss or the full attention of the teacher, full attention of the director,
You were a gifted child.
right? Gifted child. So
Nazar
I have
lag gayi?
faced this everywhere, and it's very difficult. But I've handled it. What to do? What can you do? And I think, for me, my biggest challenge has been to still forgive and still wish those people well who have harmed me or who have tried to kill me. And this is what I do in my meditation. So this is my challenge. My challenge is not that people are jealous. My challenge is not that. My challenge is to handle it. And the whole yoga handling is done, through being aware, and in meditation, the entire handling. Buddhist meditation says, the way you handle a bad situation, a really difficult situation, how do you handle it? कि समझ नहीं आ रहा क्या करें. Let go, sit down, meditate, let go of it, and forgive. Forgive और तेरा भी भला हो, ये कहो। जिसने भी तुम्हारे ऊपर कुछ किया है उसको कहो तेरा भी भला हो, बिकॉज यू मस्ट हैव हैड सम रीजंस ऑफ योर ओन टू डू दिस, otherwise you wouldn't have done it, nobody would have done it. So I respect that and I accept it. This is challenging,
Very challenging.
and so this has been a challenge, and but yeah, so it has been all through, it has been all through.
तो इंडस्ट्री में बैकलैश मिलता था तो भी तो बुरा लगता होगा ना?
तो सभी को वही सब, हर जगह वही, साउथ में इंडस्ट्री में वही हुआ, यू नो. आई वेंट एंड डिड मनी रत्नम्स फिल्म एंड इमीडिएटली आई स्टार्टेड गेटिंग अदर फिल्म्स इन साउथ. I didn't do any other films in South.
You did one in Tamil.
I didn't sign any film because but काफ़ी भीड़ उस समय लगनी शुरू हो गए थे साउथ की फिल्मों के. I just wanted out actually. मेरा पता है क्या, I'm a very spiritual person. I didn't realize this before. Or rather I would not admit it because I think I'm cool and I party and I do this.
But that's inside you.
But I'm actually basically I'm a fully spiritual person. I can live alone. I don't need to talk. I don't need company. I don't need people's acceptance to anything I do. I don't need anybody's yes. I'm a fully one piece that is independently working and living without any dependence of anything to anybody. And this is me. How can I live alone? How come I'm not married? You know what I'm saying? You think there were no guys? You think there are no guys?
Of course not.
Now they're the younger ones also.
Exactly. They like older women. I face this. Yes.
No, and also it's a different generation, the next generation, and I gel a lot because my mind is very different, and it is the next gen mind in a lot of ways. It's not an old mind. It's a very young mind. And especially with my accident, the whole Purana mind sa wash out ho gaya. And again I've started. I'm actually 26 years old right now.
बट सब कुछ भूल जाना जब आपको दुनिया जानती है और आपको याद ही नहीं आ रहा है कि आप कितनी फेमस थी. मतलब दैट इज, मुझे गूज़बम्स हो गए बात करते करते लाइक. सो वो एक अलग चैलेंज है लाइफ का, है ना. सो कभी ऐसा हुआ, कोई ऐसा एनकाउंटर कि किसी ने आपको पहचान लिया और आपको याद नहीं आ रहा? But you were into coma also, na, for like 1 month, around 1 month.
Many such encounters happened where I didn't recognize Anu Agarwal. वो दूसरों की तो बात छोड़ो, लोग मुझसे आके क्या आप अनु अगर वो कौन है? I didn't know.
You forgot your identity.
I had no idea. Zero. Past life khatam. I have read Anu's diaries and understood who she was, what her thinking was, and I disagreed with a lot of things because I don't think like that. She thought like that. So I lived this, for a long time till Anu and I became one. But it took many years. Many years.
Like your memory? उस वक्त का वापस.
Yeah, फिर वो सब धीरे, but it took a lot of time. But anyway, I kept doing my sadhana. I kept living a spiritual life. I kept mentally growing. Because mentally you can keep growing at any age. Mentally you can keep growing if your body is sick and broken. Everybody who is like in any way sick needs to know this. That you can grow in your mind, and that is the best growth. When you grow in your mind, it helps your body to heal. The healing actually happens here. It does not happen here.
Obviously.
So at any age you can keep growing. And now even in neuroscience they have found that they used to think before that the brain gets rigid after a certain age. They found out it's not so. India में तो वेदों ने कब से कहा हुआ है कि आप किसी भी समय में you're young here, you're young. You're old also here. You can be a 20-year-old. I was very old in my head when I was 22. I was very old. That's why I could handle the life at that time single-handedly. I handled my taxes, I handled my living alone, and it was very difficult. There were no mobiles, there were no like you can call things and get खुद जाके हर चीज़ें करनी पड़ती. I had to go and pay my telephone bills.
Yes, I remember.
Right? So ये इस तरीके से life was very difficult, but I was much older in my head.
You were
Today-
managing everything like
yeah.
a pro.
I'm much
Because you
younger.
had that confidence and you had that strong feeling in the mind that कि मैं
Yeah.
कर लूंगी, है ना? ये भी एक बहुत बड़ी बात होती है, especially for a female.
Correct.
है ना?
And ये बचपन से ही मतलब कि born like a friend of mine looked at a picture of me at 3 years old. I'm just looking into the camera like this, you know.
Oh wow.
And he says, born old.
A star is born.
Star is born.
True that. But जब आपका accident हुआ था उस वक्त who all were there with you to support you? Like आपकी family के लोग थे या
I,
friends
you know,
थे?
actually, see, I was disconnected with the outside world. I had gone fully inside and I was connected with the supreme force. So that's how I've come. And when you're connected with the supreme force, then you're connected with everybody around you. So you don't have to be connected with people. They will connect with you. When you are already connected to Supreme Force, because this whole world, it's energy. It's all energy working. We are energy. We are pure energy. We think we are this body. We get stuck. We are not.
Even the words we use are also energy. The
We are
thoughts.
free moving beings. We can fly anytime. We don't just need wings to fly. We can fly.
Absolutely not. So you decided to leave the industry or like industry में आप वापस आना चाहती थी कभी कि उसके बाद जब
अब-
आप ठीक हो गई या
अब
आना चाहती हैं?
अब
ओ वाह.
अभी तक नहीं.
हाँ
इतने साल निकल गए.
हाँ.
मैं बिल्कुल I was not in it at all because I also got into my foundation.
या
तो वो उसका डेवलपमेंट में बहुत टाइम एंड एवरीथिंग लग रहा था. बट नाउ आई नो द टाइम इज राइट बिकॉज आई कैन गिव. मेरा हमेशा क्या रहा है ना पता है, बिकॉज मैं फिल्मी स्टार बनने के लिए मैंने कभी फिल्म नहीं करी, पैसे कमाने के लिए मैंने फिल्म नहीं करी, फेमस बनने के लिए मैंने फिल्म नहीं करी. तो मैंने फिल्में क्यों करी? माई एंटायर ऑब्जेक्टिव फ्रॉम डे वन वॉज how does what I am doing this film, how does this help the viewer? Not just entertain him. Entertain bhi karna hai because this is entertainment business. But how does it make a difference to his life?
But how did Ashiki like as
Ashiki
a girl
did-
in Ashiki you
Ashiki-
think make a difference?
That girl made
in
a
your life?
full difference because वो लड़की कहती है मैं कुछ खुद बनना चाहती हूँ.
And that time तो वो taboo होता था ना.
So that girl spread the idea of being independent. And see, it's taking fruit. It took fruit. Today there are so many girls who want to be independent and are independent. Right? So, उस समय ये था and throughout आज मुझे ये लगता है कि there's so much I could give. First of all, great acting.
Good one. Nice.
I don't want to be arrogant. No. But yeah. First of all, great acting. And secondly, I'm selective. So I do things, I do stories which make a difference, make a mark. So I think, stage is set now.
So if Anu is directing a movie, what kind of role would Anu give as an actor to Anu?
If I were to direct a movie and I would also act in it, it would be my story.
Oh wow.
It would be my story. Because it is, my God, I mean, इस कहानी से अच्छी कोई कहानी मुझे आज तक नजर नहीं आई है.
अब तक बन भी जानी चाहिए थी एक
है
फिल्म.
ना? So, yeah.
तो आप बनाने का सोच रही हैं ऐसा कि मैं बना लेती हूँ एक फिल्म?
हाँ नहीं, safe है, I mean, in the sense
क्योंकि you
that-
have the directing skills in you,
yeah,
you know.
so that is there. But let's see.
But then you said you now want to come back in the industry and do like good roles.
Yeah.
So if you have to approach a director, who would it be? महेश भट्ट से वैसे आपकी बात
No.
होती है अभी? नहीं?
You know, the thing is that if I had to approach a director, I would have approached him by now. Obviously, I haven't approached anybody yet, so I don't know. Because I'm still discovering. The industry has changed a lot. And I've been out of touch. So I need to really, at this point, I'm doing research. Because I always do research. I'm a research person. And finding out what's really happening. Yeah.
पूरा दौर ही बदल चुका है अभी तो.
Yeah, and also I think that what it would be compelling is if somebody sees, because I am a character, right? And my life has been a very exceptional life. And my growth journey, the whole trajectory बहुत अलग किस्म का रहा है. तो मुझे ये लगता है कि अगर कोई डायरेक्टर देख के सोचे कि मुझे इस तरीके से कैरेक्टर बनाना है, कोई डिफरेंट टाइप का कैरेक्टर, कोई लड़की जो कि बहुत बड़े चेंजेस, कुछ किसी भी तरीके के चेंजेस लेके आती है.
I'm sorry I'm stopping in between. If you close your eyes right now and imagine yourself in a character, what character you would imagine yourself into?
I'm thinking.
Good one.
Me.
Anu Agarwal, है ना?
Narcissism to its best. नहीं. You know, my character is so, for me, it's so challenging sometimes because I can't understand how I behave the way I do a lot of the times. You put me on stage and I start acting, crying, laughing. My mother says, ये तो मैं तो बचपन से तुमको देख रही हूँ. वो तुमको खड़ा कर दिया तो तुम वहीं पे कहती मैं ताज्जुब करती हूँ ये लड़की क्या कर रही है. कहती वहाँ यहाँ बैठोगी तो रो रही है, नहीं चैचू स्टेज पे जाके स्माइलिंग, पोजिंग. बचपन.
And even I was like watching you in that Style Awards also, like that happened for a brand, and you were like, "Wow!" मैंने बोला
what was I doing? Tell me. I don't remember.
I can't take the name. That was a big platform.
But
then that was the awards happening, and you were in the like posing for the paparazzi, है ना? और तब तो मुझे याद आया यार, तब तो paparazzi को स्पॉट करना कितना मुश्किल, paparazzi को बुलाना कितना मुश्किल होता होगा ना तब तो. सो वो एक्सपीरियंस भी शेयर करो, आज के वक्त के पापराजी और तब के वक्त के.
नहीं पर उस समय इतने लोग कहाँ थे,
है ना?
पापराजी was not even 1/10, not even 1/10 of what it is.
और अभी तो everyone has become like इतने इन्फ्लुएंसर्स भी बन गए ना.
कितने सारे वो.
हाँ, तो कौन होता था सबसे पहले, किसने आपको स्पॉट किया था एज अ पैप?
I don't remember.
Don't remember? अरे यार वो खुश हो जाते हैं थोड़े. But that's good that you want to come back, because मुझे लगता है कि लाइफ में कभी भी ना हमें हमेशा अपने विल पावर को जितना आपने स्ट्रॉन्ग रखा है उतना रखना चाहिए हमेशा. सो अगर आपकी फिल्म का, हाँ बोलिए प्लीज.
हाँ नहीं मेरा ये भी है कि जो मैं देख, मेंटल हेल्थ इतनी बड़ी क्राइसिस हो गई है आज को. आई फील दैट द चिल्ड्रन, द यूथ टुडे आर सफरिंग. सुइसाइडल टेंडेंसीज आर हैपनिंग. एंड इफ़ यू सारे आज जो स्टेटिस्टिक्स हैं वो देखे जाएं तो बिकॉज मेंटल हेल्थ इतना बड़ा क्राइसिस बन गया है लोगों के लिए आज. तो मैं ये बिल्कुल ये चाहती हूँ, क्योंकि मेरा फाउंडेशन जो मैंने जब शुरू करी थी तो यही था कि किस तरीके से, पहले मैंने अनूफा नहीं होगा वो मेंटल हेल्थ के लिए ही शुरू करा था. तो मेरा यही है कि किस तरीके से हम लोगों को मदद करें. आई वॉन्ट मोर एंड दिस इज़ कम्युनिटी वर्क. ये मेरा चैरिटी काम है. राइट. सो खैर चैरिटी 24/7 नहीं करती. मेरी मम्मी मुझसे कहती हैं तुम 24/7 चैरिटी करती हो. कौन करता, दिमाग ख़राब है भाई. दिन में से 1 घंटा चैरिटी कर लो, तुम्हारा 10% पैसा दे दो चैरिटी में, तुम तो ये फुल पैसा देने को भी तैयार हो. तन मन धन से तुम यही करे चली जा रही हो. हैं इतने साल निकल गए. ऐसे डोंट वरी, अब मैं फिल्में ज्वाइन करूँगी. शी सेज ओके, मैं इंतज़ार कर रही हूँ. शी टोल्ड मी यू नो. बट तो मेरा यही है कि मुझे यही लगता है कि यू नो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग आके हमको ज्वाइन करें, मुझे ज्वाइन करें. आई हैव सो मच टू गिव एंड एवरीबडी कैन ज्वाइन. और दूसरों को मदद करने से सबसे पहले हमको खुद को मदद होती है.
फ्लाइट में भी यही कहा जाता है.
मेरी सारी इंटायर हीलिंग दूसरों की मदद करते हुए हुई है. मैं तो बिल्कुल शरीर सब कुछ टूट टाट गया था ना. यू नो क्या हालत हो गई थी.
बट उस वक्त कभी ऐसा लगा कि मतलब ऐसा फीलिंग आया कि अब मैं नहीं बचने वाली हूँ या कुछ ऐसा?
आई डेंट केयर. नहीं बचूंगी तो वो भी एक्सेप्टेड था मेरे को. पर लोगों का भला करना ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है. आई डेंट डू इट बिकॉज कि ये मुझे फ़ायदा करेगा, नहीं. आई डिड इट बिकॉज आई वॉन्टेड टू डू दैट.
पर तो कभी कॉन्फिडेंस हिला था कि
हाँ,
मैं
फुल
इतनी प्यारी दिखती थी.
कॉन्फिडेंस तो कभी
है
नहीं
ना?
गया. जब चेहरा टेढ़ा हो गया तो वो नहीं गया. कॉन्फिडेंस कहाँ से जाएगा? कभी गया ही नहीं कॉन्फिडेंस. बिकॉज आई हैव ऑलवेज बिलीव्ड इन अ हायर फोर्स. कुछ भी हो जाए,
That he'll take care.
कुछ भी हो जाए, टूट टाट जाए, गिर जाओ, पड़ जाओ, कुछ भी हो जाए, कुछ भी, सब कुछ चला जाए, दिवाला लग जाए, कुछ भी हो जाए.
मैं हार नहीं मानने वाली.
But if you are connected with the bigger force, you can call it God, you can call it Allah, Jesus, Krishna, Ram, कुछ भी नाम ले लो, ये सब नाम है सिर्फ, ये सिर्फ characters हैं. They are all basically they are supreme energy, part of supreme energy. If you are connected to supreme energy, you will be fine, no matter what happens. I want to tell you that. No matter what happens in your life.
एग्जैक्टली. इनफैक्ट आजकल की जो एक्ट्रेसेस हैं उनको आपको एडवाइस देना चाहो कि लाइक जनरेशन बदल गया है ना अभी तो.
हाँ नहीं, I
और
think
तरीका
no
भी.
no I think the actresses today are aware of a lot of things, and but one of the only things I would say is never lose who you are. Never lose who you are, because there is, no matter what you think कि world में मुझे ऐसा दिखना चाहिए, मैं ऐसा करूँगी तो, try and be somebody else.
Or what people talk
Try
about
and
you.
look up, according to what people want, what they talk about, what they getting influenced by people, no, just be yourself. I've always just been me, no matter what. If I am a dusky skin, sorry, I am that. I'm not changing it.
Because that time I've heard about कि तब तो like गोरे होना was like
Exactly.
है ना
उस समय
everything.
तो fair is lovely यार. उस समय
हाँ.
तो fairness cream सारी
You
आती
fought
थी.
with that, yeah.
उस समय
तो
बहुत बुरी
भी
हालत थी.
मुश्किल बहुत होता होगा.
हाँ.
है ना? So at that time you faced backlash for that, for being dusky.
Yeah.
Even when you
No,
did
but the thing is,
Ashiki.
no,
na?
not from the industry, no. Because I was already established, no, in the modeling business. So ये बात खत्म हो गई थी कि ये गोरी है कि काली है. बात होनी बंद हो गई थी. I was already a known person and a known figure. I was already a modeling star. I was already a supermodel. So ठीक है. उससे पहले प्रॉब्लम आई. मेरे फर्स्ट मॉडलिंग जॉब में प्रॉब्लम आई. But they tried to paint me white. I walked out. I said, get a fair girl.
You walked
get a
out.
fair girl, यार. मतलब क्या? Why are you wasting time with me?
Of course.
You know what my color is, right? I'm not. Nobody can. I'm not wanting to hide it. ये है. ठीक है, गोरी लड़की ले लो. No problem.
अच्छा, as you said ना, you want to come back. This actually struck in my mind कि आजकल reality shows इतने सारे बन रहे हैं. Why don't you thought about coming into a reality show like Big Boss or like खतरों के खिलाड़ी type?
हाँ, I know. नहीं, Big
Did you
Boss,
ever think about
Big
this?
Boss, I'll tell you something. Big Boss is a great show. It has done extremely well. But there is something about it that stops me from doing Big Boss. I was offered, but I couldn't get myself to do it, because how can I do something that I don't even watch?
कोई season नहीं
Why
देखा.
don't I watch it? Because I don't think it doesn't interest me at all, because I find that the gibbering and the fighting और वो सब ना, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि I don't want to spend my time watching this, यार. तो मैं वॉच ही नहीं करती. तो मैं उसमें एक्टिंग क्या, मैं एक्टिंग पैसों के लिए, अब मुझे इतने करोड़ दे रहे हैं तो इसलिए मैं एक्टिंग कर लूँगी ना. पैसे के लिए कब तुमने काम किया? मैंने अपने से पूछा. ये सब मेरा मेंटल डायलॉग चला. डोंट बी स्टूपिड. इससे यू कैन जस्ट बाय अ हाउस. सो आई सेड,
बट अभी कम बैक के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं हो जाएगा? लाइक अच्छा रहेगा नहीं?
हाँ नहीं, कम बैक. सी द थिंग इज दैट कोई मतलब ढंग की चीज़ होनी चाहिए यार.
अच्छा.
I mean, there has to be something which ढंग की meaning ना, I can't tell you exactly what ढंग की is, but मेरा मतलब ये है कि something that moves me, कि ये करना है, like आशी का कैरेक्टर वाज, इट मूव मी बिकॉज वो लड़की इंडिपेंडेंट बनना चाहती थी. वाओ.
इतना
वाओ.
आइकॉनिक बन जाएगा वो किरदार, वो
हाँ,
फिल्म.
वो हो ना हो.
पता था आपको
मुझे
ऐसा
आई नो
नहीं?
वी आर नन ऑफ अस हैड एनी आइडिया कि
हाँ.
वो वी थॉट इट वाज एन आर्ट फिल्म. महेश भट्ट वाज एन आर्ट फिल्म डायरेक्टर.
या.
We didn't think it will be so, you know.
And even many people were talking about that time also ki for your equation with Mahesh Bhatt at that time, and they were like
Huh.
rumors about
But
you
the
and
thing
him
is,
together.
see, the rumors is, I'll tell you something, there were rumors of everything Anu did. Oh, Anu sneezed. Anu sneezed. Oh God, that's because she must have been out with this guy in the this and this. हर चीज़ की कहानी बनती थी. अनु अग्रवाल की एक एक चीज़ की कहानी बनती थी. तो
Anu Agarwal was the headline of every magazine, every newspaper that time.
Yeah. So, and that went on for years. And Mahesh Bhatt was also a part of, मतलब he, but उसके बारे में इतनी कहानियाँ नहीं बनी थी actually. It was more the other people, actors, etc., who were there, who got jealous.
Who?
I don't want to name anybody, but I mean, there were people who started this talk. They actually started this talk because, I mean, Mahesh, they thought Mahesh favored me. But Mahesh would favor me because I was the one-take artist.
He said that also
when I
in
got
interviews.
on set, I was ready to play. I was ready. I had done my research. I had done my study. I had formed that character. I wore that dress. I wore that. I was a supermodel in Paris. Look at how I walked in Ashiki. I'm walking straight. I changed my walk. I was walking like cross legs
So your
on the
childhood
ramp.
theatre days helped you, I
And
think.
being like, I changed all of that to be a girl, an innocent girl. I played the role. I wasn't like that in my normal life. I had achieved. I was already flying business class.
And if one thing you have to change about the industry in this particular time, what would it be for Anu?
I think it's a huge what would I say, the potential जो इंडस्ट्री जो हमारा जो भारत देश है, वहाँ उसमें लोग फिल्मों के बारे में जितने पागल हैं वो किसी देश में नहीं है. तो अगर कुछ भी आपको मैसेज, पॉजिटिव मैसेज, मैं कहती हूँ कि टाइम मत वेस्ट करो बेकार में, क्योंकि हर पिक्चर में पैसा लगता है. तो अगर आप ऐसी फिल्में बनाएंगे जो कि कैन टेक मेंटल हेल्थ फॉर इंस्टेंस, यू कैन मेक अ होल स्टोरी, यू कैन पुट द मसाला कुछ भी करके, राइट, बट यू कैन ब्रिंग इन अवेयरनेस कि इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट. And there are so many things that can be taught through that. There's so many things that can be brought and taught. So I'm just saying that there are so many. The health is a crisis.
True.
And it's a growing crisis. I gave a talk on, so I was given an award by WEF in London last year. And I was also giving a talk on mental health. And I told them, I said, look, I mean, I did my research and I was shocked when I did my research to make the talk, right? I was shocked to know that 1 out of every 5 people in the world is sick. Whether he has like a physical problem or a mental problem, kuch na kuch sickness. We are living in a sick world and it's growing. Today it's about 3%, 3 people in every 5 are sick. What are we doing to ourselves? So filming, coming back to that, and it has a lot of potential to bring.
Quick rapid fire 5 questions and then we are over. Okay. One word that defines Ashiki for you: magic, madness, or memory?
Sorry?
One word that defines Ashiki for you: magic, madness, memory.
Magic.
All right. Rahul Roy in one word.
Star.
All right. You also were an R. Mahesh Bhatt in one line.
Foresighted.
It's one word. Okay. All right.
Foresighted.
Okay. The craziest rumor you have ever heard about yourself?
I'm a lesbian.
Seriously, now tell me what is it?
That's a rumor. That's the biggest rumor I've ever
कब
heard.
सुना था अपने बारे में ये आपने?
30 साल पहले.
Oh, तभी?
Yeah.
At that time when it was a taboo?
Yeah, people's jealousy, na?
हाँ, okay. Have you ever met someone who made you believe in filmy love?
Filmy love.
Yeah.
Filmy love क्या होता
मतलब
है?
just like ऐसा बाहें फैला के प्यार टाइप, क्योंकि सिनेमा हमको रोमांस और प्यार
हाँ,
के बारे में सिखाता है ना, तो कोई
पूछ
ऐसे
दोबारा
पर्सन से
पूछ के,
मुलाकात,
हाँ.
किसी ऐसे बंदे से आपकी मुलाकात हुई या किसी से आपकी मुलाकात हुई जिसने आपको एक वो सिनेमा वाला प्यार करना सिखाया हो?
No.
Never?
Never.
Okay, that's why you're single, na? We both are, वैसे high five. Both the Delhi girls, you know? Okay. One scene from Ashiki that still give you goosebumps.
There are many scenes in Ashiki that give me still goosebumps. But one scene, if I were immediately saying, अनु तुम्हारी आज शादी कराने का हो रही है.
Okay.
When Tom Walter comes and gives me the dress,
हाँ.
शादी कराने, अनु तुम्हारी आज शादी हो
तो
रही है.
तभी शादी से प्रॉब्लम रहा है पूरी जिंदगी में. Okay. One thing that the world still misunderstands about Anu.
Lack of knowledge. They don't know me.
True that. If your life had a title, what would it be?
Idol,
Okay. One Bollywood, yeah.
Ganesh.
Ganesh. Oh, that's nice. One Bollywood star you would love to share screen space with today.
Shit, I really think.
Please think about it. हमने किसी का नाम नहीं लिया except for महेश भट्ट.
You know, such a
तीन
singular.
भी बता सकते हो ना?
हाँ. Give me some names.
Okay. शाहरुख खान. नहीं. उस वक्त के ले लूँ 80s वाले 90s वाले.
आजकल.
आज के ले लूँ.
कोई भी ले ले.
सलमान.
Maybe.
Okay. आमिर. नहीं. और विक्की कौशल. नहीं. फिर तो कोई नहीं, मुझे लगा सलमान इज द बेस्ट वन देन, है ना? योर गिल्टी प्लेजर सॉन्ग और मूवी.
हाँ.
योर गिल्टी प्लेजर सॉन्ग और मूवी.
What movie?
कोई मूवी जो आपकी बेस्ट हो आशिकी के अलावा, जो आपको देखना बहुत पसंद हो, कोई गाना आप बहुत सुनती हो. कोई भी नहीं.
There's no song that I'm actually, you know, I mean, I was dating a jazz musician. यार मेरी तो सोच, मैं तो अंग्रेजी bloody music सुन के बड़े. अब मैं भजन और कीर्तन सुनती हूँ.
Two extreme things, you know.
So, yeah,
Bollywood के songs नहीं आते.
भजन कीर्तन thing यार. अभी हनुमान चालीसा सुबह उठ के and all that,
Wow.
ये सब यार.
That's nice.
So you said that I would say Hanuman Chalisa.
Very nice, beautiful.
है ना?
बिल्कुल, मैं भी सुनती हूँ रोज. So yeah, सोने से पहले. What's more addictive, fame, freedom or silence?
Freedom.
All right. One thing people would be shocked to know about Anu. They don't know yet.
That I'm fragile.
Okay. If you could time travel, which year would you want to revisit?
97.
Why?
My first year in yoga university.
Okay. All right. Finish the line. Anu Agarwal is
Sassy.
stylish,
Witty.
glamorous. ये तो गेम बना दिया मैंने.
हो गया. चलो.
Thank you so much, Anu,
Bye.
for being so
Thanks.
polite, so mom in the
Not at all.
interaction. Thank you.
Happy Diwali. Namaste.